Buying an EVS disk. When you buy a cloud server, a system disk is automatically added. You do not need to buy the system disk separately. You can buy data disks when purchasing a cloud server or after a cloud server is purchased. If you buy data disks when purchasing a cloud server, the system will automatically attach the data disks to the server. You can also buy data disks and attach them to a server after the server is purchased. This video shows you how to buy and attach an EVS disk. After attaching the disk to a server, you must log into the server and initialize the disk before it can be used. The procedure is as follows. Configure disk parameters. Confirm the disk configuration. Check the disk creation result. Attach the disk to a cloud server. Initialize the disk. Log into the Huawei Cloud Console. In the service list, choose Elastic Volume Service to go to the EVS console. Click Buy Disk to buy a data disk. On the Buy Disk page, configure the disk parameters. You can choose to attach the disk to a cloud server on this page. Keep in mind that a disk can only be attached to a server in the same AZ, and the disk attached here has the same billing mode as the server. You can choose to create the disk from a data source, such as a backup, a snapshot, or an image. Select a disk type and set a disk capacity. Shared disks are block storage devices that support concurrent reads and writes. A shared disk can be attached to a maximum of 16 servers. If you simply attach a shared disk to multiple servers, files cannot be shared among the servers. You need to set up a shared file system or cluster management system. As most of the clusters use SCSI reservations, you are advised to use shared disks with SCSI. To use the encryption function, you need to grant KMS access permissions to EVS. In the current project, required permissions have already been granted. So, in this tutorial, we can use the encryption function directly. Here we select the default master key created by the system. You can add tags when creating a disk. Tags can help you identify your disks and can be used for categorization and search. Add the disk to the default enterprise project. This can help you centrally manage resources and personnel by enterprise project. Specify a disk name and purchase quantity. Click Next. Confirm the disk configuration. Submit the application. Go back to the EVS disk list and check the disk status. When the disk status changes to in use, the disk is successfully attached. After the disk is attached, you must log into the server and initialize it before you can use it.